Want to change your iPhone's font style? Here's how. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Navigate to General and then tap on Fonts. Next, tap on System Fonts to see a list of fonts installed on your device. Browse through additional fonts available for download. Select any font you like and follow the prompts to install it. Since iPhones don't allow system-wide font changes, return to Settings and select Accessibility. Scroll down and find the Accessories section, then go to Keyboards and Typing. Tap on Hover Typing and toggle it on. Once hover typing is enabled, look for the Fonts option, tap on it, and choose any font from the list available. Go back to the home screen, open any messaging app like iMessage, and start typing to see your selected font in a hover text display on the keyboard. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick iPhone tips.